So now we're on our home page, and the first thing that you want to do is log into your account. So you're going to go up to the top of the page and find the login button. You're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to the login page. So here you will put in your username. I'm going to put in the username that I've created for this sample account, and then the password. Now if you want to stay logged in, you can go ahead and click on Remember Me, and then you can log in. And now you will see that you have successfully logged in. And so to start reading, you're going to go back up to the menu bar and click on Bookcase. And that's going to take you to the page with all of our story levels. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to go to level 1, Family Fun. I'm going to click on the level, and that's going to take me to all of the stories that are in this level. Now, on each of the story icon, you will see that there is a yellow tag, and that's going to tell you what the target sound of that story is. So for example, for the first story, Pat and the Pad, the target sound is the word family add. So I'm going to click on that story. And when you scroll down, you will see the ebook. Now to turn the page, you have an arrow right here, or you can click directly onto the book.
Pat and the Pad.
All right, so you will see that the story audio has started playing automatically. Now, if you want to stop that, what you can do is turn off this toggle at the top right here. So you're going to turn that off, and the book audio will not play anymore. So let's say that we turn to the next page, and let's say that we want to listen to the book audio. What you can do is you have another control bar up at the top here, and you can still play the audio.
Pat is a rat.
And pause it when you want to. Okay, so this bar is going to give you quite a bit of control over the story audio. Now let's say that I finish reading the story. I'm going to jump to the end of the book with this little button at the bottom here. You will see that at the end of the book, there are a few activities that you can do. So take a quiz, read the story aloud, and retell the story. So first we're going to go to the quiz. We're going to click on Take a Quiz, and that's going to take us to the comprehension quiz, which has 4 questions. I'm just going to click on random answers for these. Again, you have 4 comprehension questions. Each question comes with a picture. All right, once you finish, you will see your result. Okay, so here I only answered 1 question correctly. Now I want to know which questions I got wrong. I will click on View Questions. And here you can see which questions you answered wrong, and you can see the correct answer in the green box. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's go back to the story and take a look at the other activities that we can do. So I'm going to jump to the end of the book again, and right here, let's go to read the story aloud. So if I click on that block, you will see that nothing really happened, but if you scroll up, there is actually a recording area. Now you can see up here, the book reading option has been selected for you. When you're ready to start reading the book, you can go ahead and turn off the book audio so it doesn't interfere with your recording, and then you can go ahead and click on record. You will see that it has started recording because there will be a little timer at the bottom right here. Okay, now when you are done, you can go ahead and click stop, and you can submit. Now when you submit your recording, that means that the recording is saved and submitted to your teacher if you're on a classroom account. Okay, so for me, I'm going to reset. And you can see that there's a second option down here, which is book summary. So this is where you can retell the story in your own words. If you had clicked on that block at the end of the story, right here, retell the story, what it's going to do is just bring you to this option, book summary. Okay, so the same process, you're going to click record, make sure the book audio button is turned off, and you will start telling the story in your own words. Okay, and when you're ready, you can go ahead and stop and again submit. Now for me, I'm just going to hit reset.